You've taken the upper trapezius tightness test. Now I'm going to show you how to release the muscle. You're going to take a lacrosse ball, or a tennis ball, or a softball, and you're going to put it right here, halfway in between your shoulder and where your neck meets your body. Then you're going to lie down on the floor, and you can do this against a wall as well. At this point, I want you to raise your butt up a little bit until there's pressure on the upper trapezius. And you're just going to hold 30 seconds to 2 minutes, or until the muscle relaxes. Once it releases, I want you to move across the muscle 5 times. And that's the release for the upper trapezius. Now you're ready to move on to stretching it, which is this video right here.